Welcome to this session on First Aid Essentials. During this course, you'll learn how to handle common first aid incidents and emergencies, when to call for help, and how to use the tools you have available. As staff in healthcare organizations, you are the first line of defense in keeping patients safe and healthy. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify key components of a first aid kit, use standard precautions to keep you and others safe from infection, describe basic first aid techniques for common emergencies such as cuts, burns, and choking, explain appropriate actions for cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR, and using an automated external defibrillator or AED. Recognize when to call for emergency services. Let's start with an overview of what first aid means. First aid is the immediate help you give to someone who is injured or suddenly ill, often while waiting for professional medical help. You may need to act fast, so knowing the basics can make all the difference. Your role is to stay calm, assess the situation, and take quick, effective action. Let's talk about an important tool, the first aid kit. Every staff member should have access to a properly stocked kit. So, what's in a good first aid kit? Bandages and gauze for cuts and scrapes. Adhesive tape and scissors for securing dressings. Antiseptic wipes to clean wounds. Personal protective equipment, gloves, masks, safety glasses, and gowns to protect yourself and others. Burn ointment to soothe burns. Tweezers for removing small debris like splinters. Instant cold packs and pain relievers like acetaminophen or Tylenol and ibuprofen to reduce swelling and relieve pain. Hand sanitizer to keep hands clean if you don't have access to soap and water. Narcan, a form of naloxone for opioid overdoses. Emergency blankets to keep people warm if they go into shock. Antibiotic ointment and hydrocortisone cream to keep wounds from getting infected and to relieve itching and swelling. Thermometer to check temperatures. First aid book to look up procedures for common first aid needs. It is important that the first aid kit is always accessible and regularly checked for expired items. Do you know where to access a first aid kit in your workplace? Having the right tools on hand can prevent minor injuries from becoming major problems.